Here's your Storm Track 5 weather forecast. Now, meteorologist Ricky Matthews.
We had a little bit of everything today. We started off the morning with a pretty nice sunrise with some clouds around, as this viewer picture suggests. Thanks to Vicki for sending in this shot. And then we continued the afternoon with some rainfall moving through. Michael sent in this shot from Jonesville. Some of the dark skies that moved in there. Then in the evening, those dark skies moved out, giving way to a little bit of sunshine, some blue sky, and a nice sunset in Gate City. Thanks, Shane, for sending in that picture to us at weather@wcyb.com. You ever have a weather picture? Send it in there. Make sure you take it horizontally, though. It just looks like a better picture on television when you do that. Live look from Eastone Drive shows temperatures that are generally in the mid-50s right now. 55 at the Tri-Cities Airport, 55 Elizabethton, 54 for Greenville. Lower 50s, you head towards Wise, Marion, and Boone. As we go through the next couple of days, we're going to see temperatures a little bit warmer than that. The rain's going to move out, and it's already moved out as the front is now to our east. But we're still going to see above average temperatures Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday with this system moving through. And then winter comes back in as we head into Friday and Saturday. A big chill on the way. You'll see that in my 7-day in just a minute. Max Alert Radar and satellite together, sweeping clear. Some high thin clouds starting to work in, but nothing too major. So our severe threat tracker staying in the medium alert level for tonight, just because we still could see some gusty winds, maybe up to 30, 35 miles per hour. But for Tuesday and Wednesday, lowering it into the low alert level with mostly sunny skies expected. Here's those winds I was talking about. Gusts to 35, not out of the question overnight. 25 or so in the valleys. Then as we go into tomorrow afternoon, winds die off 5 to 10 miles per hour. Just ushering in some nicer and warmer air from the south. With that nicer and warmer air moving in, we'll also see decreasing clouds as some drier air works in. As we go into Tuesday afternoon, just to mix us a few clouds around. Then as we go into the overnight, more of the same. Nice clear morning to start off Wednesday. Then some clouds start to build in late in the day. That's ahead of a storm system that's going to push in on Thursday. Temperatures through the overnight, middle 40s, 45 for Tri-Cities, Norton, 45 in Jonesville. We'll say around 46 in Gate City and in Boone as well. Tomorrow, temperatures warming up into the near 60-degree mark. 59 for Norton and Grundy. Mostly sunny skies expected and pretty nice conditions outside, especially for middle of December. Now, as we go through the next couple of days, look what happens here. An area low pressure is going to form in the Gulf. That's going to track north and east as we go through the day on Thursday, giving us the shot for some rain. And then behind it, much cooler air works in as winds blow in out of the west and usher in some of that warmer air. 20s as we go into the night of Friday into Saturday. You'll see that once again in our 7-day forecast. 20 degrees for a low Friday night into Saturday. Some rain showers, as I mentioned, on Thursday. Maybe a shot of a few mountain flurries as we go into the day on Friday. We'll watch that closely just to make sure it's not anything bigger. Then as we go into the weekend, cold weather around, temperatures only in the middle to upper 30s. Maybe he was struggling to get to 40, Julie, as we go into Friday.
Goodness.
And then some middle to upper 40s starting off next week.
It's really hard to believe the change in temperature. I mean, we were in record-breaking territory today, and then by the weekend, we're going to not even be in the 40s for a high.
Yeah, 30, 40-degree temperature drops. It's like a roller coaster. You're going down the backside of it here.
Where are we supposed to be this time of year?
Normally, this time of year, we're around 48 degrees.
All right, so the weekend's not that far off. All right, thanks so much, Ricky. Well, over the holiday season, the U.S. Postal Service will handle nearly 16 million